Welcome to the LuxLiv Weekly Spotlight Series. I named today's episode the LuxLiv Legacy Homes because it showcases 5 remarkable residences designed to stand the test of time. These homes are more than beautiful spaces. They're foundations for family legacy, where generations can gather, grow, and create memories to last a lifetime. From an iconic golf estate masterpiece to an equestrian manor of grandeur, from a contemporary sanctuary framed by the Hartbeespoort Mountains to a residence ready to be transformed into a new family legacy, and finally a mansion of unmatched exclusivity. Each property is unique, each with a true winner in its own right. Let's begin this journey into extraordinary living. Property number 5, the house on top of the hill. Our first featured legacy home is nothing short of extraordinary. Uninterrupted views of the landscape stretching all the way to Hartbeespoort Dam and the nature reserve create the feeling that you've truly arrived and are standing on top of the hill in a home perched proudly on the hill. Set on a hectare of land, this fully renovated mansion offers 1,200 square meters of opulent living space. Inside, you'll find 5 sumptuous bedrooms, 6 beautifully designed bathrooms, and a state-of-the-art kitchen with Aga stove and premium appliances. For car enthusiasts, the 8-car garage with mezzanine and a lift is a dream come true. Luxury continues with an indoor heated pool, multiple living areas, a wine cellar, and full home automation powered by solar energy. Step outside and enjoy sweeping city views, direct access to nature, and the ultimate privacy. This residence is more than a home, it's a statement of elegance, exclusivity, and lasting legacy. To see every detail of this masterpiece, be sure to watch the full video tour in the link below. This home is offered at R29,500,000. Property number 4. Our next legacy home is the Manor House, a residence of distinction, sophistication, and grandeur. Designed by renowned architect Gary Tarantino, this bespoke masterpiece balances timeless elegance with modern functionality. It is set in the prestigious Waterfall Equestrian estate. From the marble-clad foyer with sweeping twin staircases to the soaring volumes and curated architectural details, every corner tells a story of refinement. This home features formal and casual living areas, a chef's kitchen, a double-volume library, entertainment bar, koi pond, pool house, and a spectacular 15-meter swimming pool framed by manicured gardens. Private retreats include a lavish master wing with fireplace, spa-inspired bathroom, boutique, dressing room, and serene balcony views. With cutting-edge sustainability, full solar, water systems, and smart automation, this home blends luxury and innovation seamlessly. To experience the grandeur of the Manor House in full, be sure to watch the complete video tour. This home is offered at R45 million. Property number 3, the house on the lake. Step into the extraordinary world of contemporary luxury at this remarkable residence in the prestigious Kashane estate, nestled on the shores of Hartbeespoort Dam and framed by the timeless Hartbeespoort Mountains. Surrounded by wildlife, rivers, and breathtaking scenery, this home offers a lifestyle unlike any other. Internationally acclaimed, it has been featured in Habitat, Object International, and the prestigious Andrew Mountain Interior Design Review, known as the Oscars of interior design. From the triple volume entrance and custom chandelier to tranquil water features and French oak floors, every detail exudes sophistication. Highlights include serene courtyards, a Millet-fitted kitchen, luxurious bedroom suites with panoramic views and superb entertainment amenities, a fully equipped gym, private cinema, office, and a poolside retreat. A 6-car garage, home automation, and a boutique-style hotel guest quarters complete the offering. To immerse yourself in the full beauty of this estate, watch the complete video tour. This property is offered at? Call us to find out. Property number 2, the home for generations. Experience refined estate living in the exclusive Waterfall Equestrian estate again, where luxury meets prime location. This grand residence offers expansive spaces, elegant finishes, and a lifestyle built for entertaining and family living. Step through the grand entrance hall into sophisticated living areas, a music room, spacious lounge, dining room, bar, cinema, and wine cellar, all designed for memorable gatherings. The kitchen is fitted with melee appliances, a fridge room, pantry, and it sets the stage for culinary excellence. With 5 ensuite bedrooms, multiple office spaces, and the wellness amenities including a gym, sauna, pajama lounge, this home offers comfort for every family member. Outside, manicure gardens and a scenic balcony provide peaceful retreat. This residence awaits a family ready to give it tender loving care and transform it into a magnificent legacy home for the next generation. To see its full potential, watch the complete video tour, and this home is offered at 45 million rand. Property number 1. Although already sold, this home remains one of my all-time favorites, both in quality and in the unforgettable tour it provided. Designed by architect Chris Paticides, it stands as a testament to enduring craftsmanship and timeless design, offering the family who chose it a safe haven for generations to come. Set on the second hole of the exclusive Waterkloof Golf Estate and capturing the breathtaking Gauteng sunsets, this tri-level residence spans just under 1,000 square meters, and it has 5 bedrooms and a private guest flat. The master suite is a sanctuary with a floating fireplace, spa-inspired jacuzzi bath, and boutique walk-in closet. With gourmet melee kitchen, multiple living spaces, 10-car garage, lush pool, boma, this residence combined modern innovation with thoughtful luxury. Even more, its elevated position offers sweeping views over the golf course and nature reserve. A legacy home in every sense, it proves why timeless design and superior quality never go out of style. To explore the full tour, click on the link in the description. And in closing, each of the legacy homes I showcased here reflects a rare blend of architecture, lifestyle, and timeless value, and is designed not just for today, but for the generations to come. Whether it's a sanctuary in nature, a grand manor, or an exclusive estate, these are homes where families can build their story and create their future. Thank you for joining me on this journey through LuxLiv Legacy Homes. Be sure to watch the full tours for a deeper look into each residence, and if you're ready to begin your own legacy, reach out. We'd love to help you find the home that's meant for you.